Ever wondered how to breeze through Walmart's self-checkout with your EBT card? First, scan all your eligible food items and remember only approved food items are allowed with your EBT card once everything is scanned. Tap the Pay Now button located on the screen. It's usually towards the bottom. Now, carefully look at the payment options. You'll need to select the EBT button to use your benefits. It might also say food stamps or SNAP, depending on your state. The screen will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit EBT PIN. Make sure no one is watching you while you enter your PIN to protect your account. After entering, press the OK or Enter button. The screen will display the approved amount your EBT card will cover and display the remaining balance on your card if your grocery bill is more than your EBT balance. While you'll be prompted to use another payment method for the remaining balance. You can select cash, debit card, or even credit card to cover what's left. Once the transaction is complete, take your receipt. It's important to keep it to verify your EBT balance, and that's it. You've successfully used your EBT card at Walmart's self-checkout.